Abhishek, I am thinking of buying a car. How can I be smart with my money?
Let's start with both agreeing that car is a liability. It will take money out of your pocket every time you drive it. Your fuel, your service cost, your insurance, everything. Sure, it brings convenience and you need a car. It's a necessity. But let's rationally treat liability as a liability and then further work on it.
How do I go ahead?
So, are you looking for a car for a daily commute? How occasional are your family trips? How big is your family? Answering such questions will help you choose the right car for you. Let's say you want to go for a sedan, a hatchback, or an SUV.
What should be my budget?
So, let's copy something from the rich now. A general rule of thumb is you do not buy a car unless and until you are 3 times rich enough to buy it. And then the cost of the car should not increase your annual CTC. This makes sure that you could comfortably afford a car.
Okay, so to buy a 5 lakh car, I should have at least 15 lakhs.
Next, a great way to save on money is to opt for a used car. The new car depreciates the moment you get it out of the showroom. I suggest you opt for a second-hand car. It will be much more affordable and will provide you the similar benefits.
But I've heard second-hand cars give lot of problems.
Agreed. You need to do the due diligence before buying the car. Check for the service records, drive it, get it checked by a mechanic. This way you can ensure that you get a great car for an affordable price and also a reliable one. And dude, honestly, I would opt for a second-hand Audi than to go for a new Swift.
Okay, I'm convinced to buy a used car. But I won't get a car loan for it. How do I arrange the funds?
Now, assuming that you're 3 times rich enough to buy the car, do not directly pay for the car upfront. Take a loan. You have loan options such as gold loan or mortgage loan. These two loans can be availed for lower interest rates and longer tenures. A gold loan can be availed for like 8% and a mortgage loan for 9%, and the tenure can exceed up to 20 years.
But should I pay EMI for 20 years and that too for a car?
See, the purpose of having a longer tenure means that you pay lower EMI, which also means you have more money in your hand that you can invest in assets. Now, earnings from these assets will help you foreclose your loan. Working on these parameters will make buying a car a pocket-friendly experience. For such actionable insights, subscribe to our channel.